Welcome back, Lancers. Today we are back again to another video of our C tutorial series, and this video is our first part of our sub series, mini project series. In this, we will be programming a mini project on the topics that we have already covered. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. In the division also, we will first take two inputs. We have already taken here division. We have taken two inputs, and we will just divide. So the quotient is this one. Let's just copy this one and print the remainder too, and the remainder is this one. And also we have to give a backslash n here, backslash n here in every print statement, backslash n here, backslash n here. So case 5 was for division, and after that we have to our next case is, you see in 7th, it is table printing. So let's copy this one. Yeah. In this we have to take only one number, so enter number, and we will also accept only one number. Let's say b. After that, what we will do, we will take a variable I for I. For that we have to first declare it here. Here you see, and now I will start from 1 and it will iterate till 10, and also now I plus plus, and also we have now, while iterating, it will print. Yes, now we have to print the complete statement, that is first ampersand d multiplied with ampersand d equals ampersand d, and in each ampersand d we will provide what we have to print. In the first ampersand d we have to print the number b, after that we have to print I, and after that we have to print p into I. So this is what we have to do now here, and then it will execute the break statement. In the default we will just provide that printf enter the valid option. Now here our program is almost ready, but one thing is missing. If we run this program, we will see that this will execute for one operation, and after that it will terminate. To execute this multiple times, we have to use a while loop. So I am selecting the complete switch case and then a tab. After that, here I will write a while 1. While the value, or the while it is 1, we have to do all these tasks. So this is what is happening. So while 1 is basically an infinite loop, is making this program run infinitely. So we will how we will exit. To exit we will use exit function, and the for that we will write here the last case 7 exit function, and then break. So now let's see what is happening and run this program first. Let's run this program. Okay, it is saying that too few argument for function exit. Okay, this should be something like this. So also, you see, we have to ask this choice each time after execution of execution of one case of switch. So we have to make that inside while loop. This one is must. Let's just remove these spaces here. Now our program is almost complete and we are almost there to achieve what we want to. Now let's just run this program and see what are the errors, and then we will rectify it using our own logics. Now let's run the program. Okay, it's compiled successfully, and you see we have the menu first. After that, let's hit the one that is the menu option. You see I'm getting the menu again. After that, let's hit 2 for the addition. Enter two number, let's say 32 and 43. Let's say summation of these two number is 75. That's correct here. Next, let's select subtraction 3, and let's give input as 5 and 2. 3 should be output, yes it is. After that, let's select 4, that is for multiplication, and there's we have to enter two numbers, let's say 56 and 3, and it should be 168. Yeah, it is correct now what was the program, what was the menu? It's gone up, so let's just make it down. Let's just hit 1, and you see the menu is again with us. So in the division, that is 5, enter two numbers, let's say I gave 17, not 15 and 2, let's say, and yeah, here it is fine. The quotient and remainder we are getting is perfectly fine. After that, we have table printing. Let's hit 6 and enter the number, that let's hit 5 here. In yes, 5 table is printed now, and then it is asking again enter the choice, and this will goes on until infinitely. To end this, we have a command. Let's see the menu. We have a command in 7th number, you see an exit command, where we have executed the exit function, which will execute and terminate the complete program. Now let's just hit 7 and see, yes, it is exiting fine. Now let's just run this program again. Yeah, you see we can print the menu anytime and as much time as we can. We can add 45 and 56, we can subtract 76 and 34, we can print tables of numbers larger than we think. So something like 1 2 3 4 5, oh sorry, in choice we cannot. First we have to select the choice, that is the 6th one, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you see we have the table printed here. Now what if we give any number that will be not from between 1 to 7? You Let's hit 8 and see, you see it is saying that enter the valid option, and it is asking for the choice again. So you remember that in our program, we in the default statement under switch case, we have written this enter the valid option. This is what default option works like. If the option, or you can say the choice given by the user, is not in between the cases, then default will execute and print whatever we have programmed inside it. So now let's finish this up. Yeah, now this was all about our program. Let us just understand this program once more. Let's zoom it in first. Yeah, now you see we have first a menu. After that, a switch case, a while loop. Inside that, I have asked for a choice, and then I have switched that choice. And in each case, we have, if in the first case we have the menu, in the second case we have the addition, in third case we have subtraction, in fourth case we have multiplication, and it goes on. So this was all about our program. Also, if you want to read this program in details on your own, you can see the program in the description. You will get the link for the program there. With this, our mini project 1 is complete now. We have programmed a new program which is a complete project of a calculation, mathematic calculation we can do, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can implement more programs like this, like shape calculator. You can use switch case and while loop to make a shape calculator that will calculate areas and perimeters and different volumes and different parameters in the of different shapes. This is what a mini project was all about. Now let's wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Peace.